Good morning and welcome back to another how-to with MistrMopar. Today I'm going to be doing an oil and filter change in a 2008 Suzuki Forenza. It's a 2.0 liter 4-cylinder. Should be the exact same for 04 through 08 on all of the Forenzas. I assume that the wagons are the same. This is a sedan model. So the only things you need for this are your drain pan. I've got a few different options for the oil filter. You need an 11/16 socket or a wrench. And of course your oil and filter. If you've seen any of my other videos, you know that I'm big on Mobil 1. It's good stuff. It's always done me right. I use it in all my vehicles. This calls for 5W30, so we've got the Mobil 1 530 full synthetic, high performance. It says you're good for 20,000 miles. Personally, I still change it every 5,000. And the filter for these Forenza 2.0 liters is the Mobil 1 101A. So when you're looking at the car from the front, right basically down under your grill, straight back, you're going to see this pan with the fins. Your drain plug is right here on the back, and the oil filter is actually right here. Kind of in a crappy area, to be honest with you, but it's right there. So what I'm going to do to get that off is I'm probably going to use my big channel locks, get that up in there and get it loose. So for now, I'm going to remove that 11/16 plug, let it drain. I'll put the plug back in, and then we'll move over to the filter, and we'll go from there. So what I ended up doing to get the oil filter off, because it's in a horrible spot, is the splash guard that's underneath here. Somebody had already cut it. I was able to take just the two little plastic Phillips push pins that go in here out, and that allowed me enough room to get my filter wrench, well, my big pair of channel locks on the filter there, and break it free. So if you don't have yours cut already, you may have to remove the whole thing. And if you do, behind the passenger side tire, there's a couple 10mm in there that hold it on up on the side, and then the plastic pins. They're a Phillips head bit. They thread out, and then you can pull the whole pin out. I've done that. It's been drained. My new filter's back on, and before I fill it back up, I'm going to give it a little seafoam. Again, if you've seen some of my other videos, you know I'm pretty big with the seafoam. It's done me really well through the years. So seafoam motor treatment, it tells you on the back for the crankcase oil you want 1 ounce for each quart. This is a 20-ounce bottle. It's probably only got 3 or 4 ounces left in it, so I'm going to add the rest of it. And what I do is I usually put about half of my oil in, and then I add the seafoam, and then I finish filling the oil up, and you're ready to roll. So hopefully this helps somebody. Again, this is a 2008 Suzuki Forenza 2.0 liter. All you need is an 11/16 drain pan, filter wrench. It definitely is easier. You've got car ramps like this to pull it up on the ramps. That also puts the oil pan at an angle so that all the oil runs out, you know, as best as you can get it. Your oil, I prefer Mobil 1 full synthetic, and the Mobil 1 oil filter for this is the Mobil 1 101A. Thanks for watching.